Hey everyone, Cody from Mac Telecom Networks. In this video, we're going to be going to a job site to clean up this cable mess that you see in the picture here. We're going to be adding another UDM Pro Max so that we have high availability, as well as an ENVR and 2 AI keys. Now my mic didn't work within the recording, so I had to do voiceovers. Something's broken on my GoPro mod pack, but I hope you guys enjoy. This is the current state of the network room, and as you can see, it's quite a bit of a mess. If we go up to the patch panels, these are 48 port patch panels, and the jacks within them aren't standard Keystone jacks. So what we're going to have to do, either you get a new patch panel, which I don't have a CommScope patch panel, so I'm going to have to re-terminate all of these. So I'm going to be putting them into 24 port patch panels, and then we'll be using slim 6-inch cables to be going down to our switches. All the blue cables that are hanging down, that is for the cameras, and the camera switch was sitting up top, or the NVR. So we're going to end up putting a 24 port switch into there so that we could put all the camera cables in there and get rid of these long patch cables. In the rack, we're going to be adding another UDM Pro Max for shadow mode. We're going to be taking out the UNVR and putting in ENVR. And we're also going to be adding in 2 AI keys. The first thing that we're going to need to do is to rip all this gear out and then start terminating. I've now begun terminating, and the tool that I'm using is the VCE Link Crimper as well as their keystones. I used to use vertical cable eye punch tool, and I still do, but I find it very difficult to get the keystones in Canada. I will put an affiliate link down below to the VCE Link as well as the vertical cable eye punch tool. The rack rails for the ENVR was a little bit too long for this network rack. Luckily, there was a network server sitting below and a shelf within that, so it was able to hold the weight. Once we push the ENVR in, it does go into the screw holes and it does secure itself. Next, we need to take off the plastic over the drive bays and then populate it with hard drives. We're using 4 24 terabyte hard drives. I'm sure they'll get more in the future. They also purchased the ENVR bezel, which is a really nice feature and does give us different LEDs if we'd like. You could also see the hard drive bays and you could see the cameras that are on the And the last piece of hardware that I installed was the shelf for the AI keys, and then we put in 2 AI keys into this. Now that the network rack is finished, let me show you what we did. We have 2 UDM Pro Max in shadow mode. Then we have our patch panel with the 6-inch cables going down to our 48 port switches. We have 4 different patch panels and there are blanks between, which we will put keystone blanks. That's just how the old patch panels were laid out. We also have 1 WAN switch, so this acts as a WAN splitter for when we're doing our shadow mode. If the one primary went down and we only had the internet plugged into the primary, the internet wouldn't go to our secondary. Below that, we have our AI key with 2 different AI keys. I did have to move the ports because I realized that these use PoE++ and we were plugged into just PoE+. And then at the very bottom, we have our ENVR with the bezel on it, and you can see that we have the blue LEDs. These LEDs are changeable within UniFi Protect. It does show our hard drive bays. We're only using those 4 24 terabyte hard drives, and it also shows the cameras, which 2 are online and the rest are offline. That's because I need to plug in an uplink switch. And that's going to be it for this cable cleanup video, and I hope to get more of these type of videos out to you. If there's something specific that you'd like to see, put it in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Alright, thanks.